to get started, like the first steps or the necessary steps is just show up. Kailangan mong pakita sa sarili mong words. Like, you have to own up to your words. Kung sinabi mo, gawin mo. If naisip mo, gawin mo. Para hindi na siya manatili dito. So, just, for me, it's execute. If you have an idea, the 50% of it is showing up. Go there. And then, do what you need to do. Document. And then, you will know sa next, pag ma-publish mo yung content, hindi gumana. Bagsak. It didn't work. And then you realize, oh, I need to know what I need to do next time is that I need to have a better plan. So, pupunta ka doon, kasi you learn this bits by bits. One thing I realized is if you like really detail plan it out, you're always subject to your expectations.
Mm.
What if hindi mo makamit yun? Andun ka na, hindi nakamit. Par, hindi nangyari. Wala na to. Sira na yung ano mo. Diba? So if you go there without expectations and you just go execute on your plans, I just went there and I tried to feel it for the first time. And anyway, at the end of the day, alam mo yung may magagaling kins, but hindi sila na sumikat, hindi sila naging viral.
Oo.
Marami, di ba? Marami mga galing.
Marami, sir.
But hindi sila sumikat. Hindi naging viral. Kasi the world decided sino sila. At the end of the day, going back, like, it's the audience feedback. If para sa'yo, para sa'yo.
Totoo, sir.
Kasi if you plan it too much, then like, if you're thinking too much about it, then it's not coming naturally para sa'yo. Hindi para sa'yo yun. It's not natural to you. So you have to be self-aware, sino ka, before you do the like necessary steps. So go there, just feel it. Malalaman mo naman din yun if para sa'yo yun ang bagay.